Quick and dusty tip.
Today we're going to fix an 18 gauge Brad Naylor stapler that only fires on the second strike. Meaning the first time you shoot you get nothing but air. Second time you shoot you get a nail or a staple. The most common cause of this issue is you're not oiling your gun enough. It's 5 to 10 drops of oil per hour of use for most 18 gauge Brad Naylor staplers. But don't go throwing a whole bunch of oil in your gun. Oil it like you normally would and like you should. And for now to fix this issue, so we're going to disconnect our air. We're going to take our top cap off. Should also take your brads or your staples out first. So you can see in here it's pretty dry. Even if I rub my finger on it, there's nothing coming through, which means that plunger is likely just not going the full distance even though I've got enough air behind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little air tool oil. If you don't have air tool oil, you can always use 3-in-1 or use WD-40 is just fine. And I'm going to take a couple drops. And depending on how dry your gun is, you might need more or less. I'm also going to lube this guy a little bit. You can see this is where my plunger slides. You can see the wear marks there. And we'll reassemble. Goes your spring loader, safety, and your top plate. Alright, let's see if she fires now. So remember to oil your gun, 5 to 10 drops per hour of use, and you shouldn't run into this problem. We're going to take our top cap off. Don't know why that doesn't fit there. I swear that fit 3 seconds ago when I tried it.